In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy a domain name on Porkbun. First of all, you need to create an account on Porkbun. Just click the sign in button in the top right corner, and then you will see this create a new account button right here. So I will sign up and then continue recording the video. Alright guys, once you will create an account, now we can buy the domain. So you need to go to the main page of the Porkbun, and in the domain search you need to write the domain you want to buy. For example, I want to buy this domain and I will paste it right here and click this search icon right here. If the domain is available, you will see it on the top of the domains. As you can see, this is the same domain name, and I need to click this plus icon right here and then check out. You can scroll this down and buy it. I prefer to buy it for 1 year only. Here is the current price. At the moment, this domain costs $2 and renew costs $26. If you have got a coupon code, you can click on apply coupon right here and you can apply the coupon code. Then if everything is correct, you can click continue to billing. Select the payment method. You can use your credit debit cards, PayPal, Alipay, crypto and others. I will use my debit card. Then you need to tick this and click continue. Now we need to finalize the payment. Alright guys, as you can see, we just bought a domain name. That's how it works. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.